This is wild. Do you ever get those times when you have this beautiful idea in your head, but when you start pouring, it doesn't work out as good or doesn't look as you planned? So the pour that you are about to see right now, it turned out awesome. But the process didn't go as smooth as I would like it to be. And you can see I already have a lot of paint on my table and of course on myself. So I kept adjusting it and changing it and adding some more paint until I was completely happy and excited about the outcome. And I think it's very important to remember that even though probably if you're watching a lot of YouTube videos, it's easy to get under the impression that acrylic pouring is like so easy. You just take fluid paint, you blow it out, you pour it out, and boom, it's ready, it's beautiful, it's like magic. But in reality, it's not like that, or at least not always. So even though I think it's important to plan out your colors, plan out your composition, when you're inside of that process, you have to let it all go and really let your creative intuition guide you. Let me show you the process. Let's go. So today, working on this 16 by 20 cradled wood panel, primed with gesso and taped the sides. Keep watching till the end of the video if you want to see a fully finished painting with the clean wood edge. And here I have a whole lot of colors. All the colors are mixed with just paint and water, no pouring medium. And the plan today is to create oceany turquoise blue base and then the golden flow over it. So I'm gonna start with the secret message. And today it's serenity. Okay, and got some beautiful, this color here is greenish blue. And I really don't mind if some of my colors overmix, but I kind of want to have darker colors closer to the bottom and lighter to the top, and this is beautiful turquoise green shade. This one is turquoise blue shade. I think I'll add just some more Prussian blue closer to the bottom. A touch of iridescent green blue. I have all kinds of shades of blue, and that's not even everything. I have more. I love these colors. Blues, turquoise, greenish blues. Can't get enough. Actually, I think this should be enough color. So I want to blend in those colors. First, I'm gonna do it with my painting knife. Wow, this is wild. I love it. Okay, most likely I'm not gonna keep this, but even for now, this is amazing. And there is no silicone, no cell activator of any kind. This cell reaction happens due to fluid consistency of my colors and different color density. I'm totally trying to master this density cell thing, and so far it's working good. Well, this is a pretty beautiful ocean piece already without any other additions, but I'm not going to stop here. Okay, got quite a few air bubbles. Actually want to try and blow this section and see how that will react. This corner here doesn't really want to cooperate with me. I want to add a little more. Well, you know what, guys? This is kind of amazing already. I love these colors. Okay, I'm gonna be done with base for now. Kind of wish I had a little less of that turquoise, bright turquoise green here and more of this dark one, but that's fine. So now I want to add the golden flow. Let's have it like this. So for that, I'm first adding white. Just a little more, and you see where the white blends into these greenish, bluish turquoise colors? That already looks so amazing. So I'm adding gold right over that white. So I want to add a touch of copper. No, it's not copper, sorry, it's bronze. I think that will look nice here as well. A few drops of red violet. Yeah, I think that should be enough for now. So next I want to blow out this flow. I'm going to try to leave this area untouched because it's so beautiful with this lacing. I want to leave my golden flow for now, and I feel like this section here with all the turquoise, it's just a little too much. Too much turquoise, too much movement and details there. So I want to add some of that greenish blue here to make a few more plain sections. I love this a lot more now. So this section here now doesn't fit in. So does this one. It's a little too busy. So I think I want to blow it off. And I want this golden part sort of go off the canvas here. I feel like I want to add just some more gold here instead of this busyness. The question is, what do I want to do with this part here? I think I want to do a little blowout here as well. Keep working on it. Change from original plan a lot, but I love it. Have to let yourself improvise. So I am finally happy with it. Let's stop and see how it dries. So I have not one but two paintings to show you. First is of course this one. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love how these colors dry, and I see a beautiful dancing dragon in the deep waters. What I love the most is how this turquoise color blends into dark blue that greenish blue and Prussian blue. That works amazing. And I just love the multicolor background concept. I'm gonna explore it a lot more in my paintings. There's something just so moving and expressive about it. And as promised, here is the side of the painting. So as you can see, I keep a clean wood edge. This is why my sides are always taped. So I remove the tape as a very last step. When the painting is fully done and covered with epoxy, this is when I remove the tape. And to help me with that, I'm using a heat gun to warm up the tape, and that helps a lot. I'll link it in the description under this video if you want to check it out. I love the outcome of the first one so much that I just couldn't help myself and I had to make one more with similar colors and this gorgeous gold. So if the last painting was Dancing Dragon, this one is two golden betta fish. Can you see their beautiful tails? Honestly, this painting is just extra special to me. So I decided that in the next video, I'm gonna do a third one in this style, in this series. Definitely check it out. And please let me know how you like the outcome of these two, how you like the multicolor background. I will chat with you in the comments down below. And please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new. That helps my channel tremendously. Thank you so much, my creative friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.